Lesson 12. Playing with both hands simultaneously. How good are you at multitasking? Here are a couple of challenges. In these exercises, you need to play with both hands at the same time. It will probably help if you start by playing just the right hand part and then just the left hand part before you try both hands at the same time. Here's the first one. Hands together in slow steps. So put both of your hands on the keys, and when a note is written above another note, you're going to play them at the same time. This tune is marked lento, so you play it slowly. The next tune, Rocking, is a little bit quicker, but don't rush. It's only marked andante, which means at a walking pace. And the next exercise is very slow. It is marked adagio, which is the Italian term meaning very slow. The next tune, Ode to Joy, has hands together all the way through. This is Sur le Pont d'Avignon.